These kits are super cool. And I was at a local thrift shop, and of course there's no manual, but that's the best part. There's no manual. Music I see, but it doesn't say like input, output, trigger, boo. Alarmic. Again, no designation, no schematic, no sub-schematic of that. Space War, I see. Again, no idea what that is. But those are the cool things. You know, the speaker. I think there is a photo resistor here. A switch. A 100 ohm resistor. And this is like the best thing ever for $8. You put it on the pegboard. These snap into the pegboard. Look, there's little risers. Holy. I could not build this for $8. So if you have any more of these sitting around doing nothing and you don't know how to use them, I will give you $8, no question. Check that out. Motor. The propeller. Oh, that's so awesome. 100 projects, it figures. Well, if I add some of those things, I think not.